Hey guys, Hassan here, and in this video I'll be unboxing and reviewing the Grid Studio frame. So this is the iPhone X frame from Grid Studio, and I would like to thank them for sending this out to me to review for you guys. Well, they have a variety of frames available not just for Apple product but also for the game systems and other devices. So let's just start the unboxing. You have the pin right there so that you can put it up on your wall. The frame itself has a beautiful paper packaging with the seal on the top. The packaging has a very high-end vibe. Okay, let's remove the cover, open the package and see what's inside. So there you have it, the lovely Grid Studio frame. Let me just tell you a little bit about the build quality of the frame. So the quality of the glass on the front seems great. The sides are made of solid wooden frame. It has these pins on the back so that you can mount it up on the wall. And here's a closer look at everything inside the frame. So guys, if you have a plan to buy this, I'll be sure to include the link in the description. So that's it from this video, and let me know what's your thought about this frame. I'll see you guys later. Peace out.